I'm just going to give a shout out this week to a woodturner out there, and his name is Bob Hamilton. And he's probably, a lot of you out there probably know Bob. He's been around a while and he's an absolutely fabulous turner. And he is coming up learning woodturning, should go and check him out. He's absolutely amazing. And I tell you something now, if you're starting out woodturning and you don't have a chuck, right, go and check out his channel. He does a great tutorial on how to turn a bowl without a chuck, okay? No chuck bowl it's called. And he does a great demonstration on how to make a bowl without a chuck, and it's absolutely great for a beginner's guide. And he has goblets, hollow forms, boxes, bowls, how to core bowls, you name it. Bob has it on his site there. He has absolutely everything you want. Anything you want video wise, for sharpening tools, you name it. So go over there and check him out. He's there, he's a Canadian woodturner, and I'll put a link down below and check him out. He's well worth checking out, okay? So this week's video is I'm getting a lot of emails, requests about a video that I had on YouTube a couple of years ago. I had to take it down because of copyright notice. It's about a lathe that I made a number of years back. It's a treadle lathe, and I had the video up. I had to take it down because it just basically shows me making a spinning top on it, okay? And I hope you enjoyed the video, and it just basically shows the lathe working and me making a spinning top on it, okay? So enjoy the video, and I'd just like to thank everyone for subscribing. I just can't get over the amount of people. I've over 3,000 subscribers, and I can't imagine fitting 3,000 people into this shed here, let alone me garden. And I'd just like to thank every one of you and all the comments, and my head is just that size for me. Like, I just can't get over it. Like, thanks very much every one of you. I just really thank you all. I really appreciate every one of you. I just can't get over it. I'm not very good at writing answers to all of you, you know, but I will answer people's questions, but I don't really know what to be saying, because people that just say things to me and I'd be like, oh, and it just wipes me mind. I just to be gobsmacked. So thanks very much. I can say it is now. Thank you very much now, okay? Now sit back and enjoy this little bit of a clip that I made up, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. On the top here on this thing here. I'll give it a go anyway. It's not the easiest trying to keep your balance and pedal now at the same time. And we'll see how it goes anyway. Just using the rough now gouge. Spindle gouge here and try and bring this around here. Okay. It's difficult to do actually, and trying to keep concentrate and pedal at the same time. Takes a while to get used to. It's good fun. You're something now, if you were doing this all day, every day, you'd be a fit man. You wouldn't need to go to the gym. It's a new learning. It's like woodturning standing on one leg. Let's try and rinse that off there and then part it off. That's it, on the ground. Now there's the second one. So it does work. Give it a spin. Not with shaky hands. There we go. That's the first one I did. Now and out of breath actually. And it's good fun. Thanks for watching.